Hi guys, my name is Calvin. I'm a web developer. I've been developing for like 4 years now. I'm a full stack web developer, mainly using Django for my backend development and Vue.js for my front end development. So this I'm starting a series that's gonna be talking about I'm gonna be talking about some tricks, some things you probably don't know about Django. It's mainly for beginners. Some things I wish I knew when I was starting it. You know, my when I was learning. I'm still learning anyway, but when I was just starting up on you know web development and all that. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first lesson for today, the first thing I'm going to be talking about is you know user you know user model. We could actually usually this the model, videos online. This is model you use. You could just use this model right here, which means we might not have needed this, and this still is gonna work. you know but the thing is, if you wanted to extend this model, you couldn't. You have to write another class here on any way you want it to be, that's gonna inherit still. It's not actually, it's not gonna inherit. You're gonna write another class and maybe use a foreign key to link it with this class. And I for one don't think it's a good idea. So I think Django even says this is the best way to do it, what I'm going to show you now. So usually this is what you should do. Inherit, I mean, call this abstract user, write your own class, your own user class, inherit from this abstract user class. Then now you can extend this abstract user model. This abstract user model already has the basic information like the email field, the first name, last name, super user, and all that. You understand? But with this, I can actually add something like it's blogger, it's reader, image. With this, I can even change the username. I can actually override the email field, for example, and say email field, takes for example unique true, and just say sorry username field, and just set it to email right there. Username field and just set it to there. Then you have to basically you have to write a user manager for this and all that, but that's not what we're gonna be talking about. That's not what we're talking about. What I'm just gonna be talking about is extending the user model. So instead of just importing the user model and using that, write your own custom model in inheriting from this abstract user. Then with this you can modify it. You can do whatever you want to do. You could use the abstract base user if you wanted to, but then you have to abstract base user like this. But the thing with the abstract base user, which means if I use this, I would actually have to write everything. As you can see, it's giving me an error because there's no username field in this abstract base user. So I have to write the username field wherever, whatever I need this to have. So we're not just going to be using abstract user. So with this, you can extend your model anyhow you like it. So if you didn't know that, start writing your user models like this. If you don't already, start doing it like this. So That's it. Sorry, one last thing. After writing your user model, you have to specify right here in your settings of PY5 auth user model the application name dot whatever you named your user model. Okay, so that's it, guys. See you next time. So you should like and subscribe if you really learned something from this video anyway. So that's it, guys. Bye.